Do you recognize that sound? It's the sound of clean water. Clean water is getting to be a major problem. Every day, millions of gallons are wasted. There was a time when human waste and garbage was recycled. Now, in spite of all efforts, it seems to end up in our rivers and streams and eventually the ocean. This is a pretty tough situation. At this point, only about 1% of all the water left in the world is drinkable. That's not good. This problem can be solved by composting human waste and garbage. We here at A2Z Global are trying to solve this problem by offering the public a composting toilet with fluid separation. Fluid separation eliminates most of the unpleasant odors associated with composting toilets. These units are handmade by American craftsmen. Contact us today for your composting toilet. Every flush less helps clean up the mess. We're an American company. Thank you very much.